How to grow out layers in your haircut. Here is the ultimate guide. Growing out your layers can be a bit of a journey, but don't worry, I have you covered. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. I suggest getting regular trims. It might sound counterintuitive, but trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks helps maintain a shape as your layers grow. This prevents split ends and keeps your hair looking polished, not messy. Maintain your hair health. Healthy hair grows faster and also it looks better. Use my products like my best-selling product Tidal Wave for texture, or my Sleek Serum for getting smoother hair, and even 25 spray, which is literally a miracle spray. And don't forget to use conditioner. I know a lot of you are afraid to use conditioner, but if you use it properly, especially my stuff, it will keep your hair hydrated and in really good shape. You need to experiment with different styles. Growing out layers doesn't have to be boring. You need to try different looks as your hair grows. So play around with braids or buns, soft waves, change up the parting. Just really experiment to keep your style fresh and exciting. Remember, growing out your layers is all about patience and care. Stay consistent with your trims, nourish your hair with the right products, and have fun experimenting with new styles. Be sure to communicate with your hair professional that you are growing out your hair, and it's up to you and them to make sure you're going to get the proper end result. If you don't communicate with your stylist or your barber, they may end up giving you the wrong haircut. So if you want to use any of my products, use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Let me know in the comments below about your hair journey, or if you have any questions, I love to answer them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.